Hello, everyone. My name is Kunle Fabi. I'm a registered social worker and psychotherapist. So, today we're going to be talking about negative self talk and we're going to talk about how to identify them and how to overcome them. For a lot of you, I wonder if the voice in your head speaks to a friend the way it speaks to you, would you still be friends with it? Negative self talk sounds like I'm not good enough, I'll never measure up, I'll always be awkward, I'll always mess things up. But here is the truth. You learned it. You weren't born that way. From criticism to comparisons to fear, you learned it. Anything that learns can be unlearned. I want you to try this instead. Name the voice. Yes, give it a name. Maybe you say, that's Joe talking. Give it a name, whatever name you feels comfortable, so that you can identify when the negative self talk is talking. Identify the thoughts that come. Maybe it's thought like, I'm not good enough, I'll never measure up, I'll make a mistake, this is a challenge for me. You want to identify those negative thoughts, note them down. Next, you want to challenge those thoughts. Are these thoughts true? Are they always true? Are they true all the time? And find instances where this is not true. For example, if a negative self talk you have is, I'm not good enough, I want you to find instances in life where you are good enough, where you know you believe you are good enough. So that means I'm not good enough is not always true. So whenever you catch yourself thinking I'm not good enough, remember the other instances where you are good enough. Challenge those thoughts. Next, you want to reframe it with something grounded. For example, when you make a mistake, you want to be able to, yes, I made a mistake, but I'm still learning. Don't let it end at a mistake. Because sometimes you can say, I made a mistake, I'm not good enough. No, I made a mistake, comma, I'm still learning, I'm growing. When you think I'm not good enough, you can reframe that to I'm learning and growing. Because I'm not good enough seems very definitive, like it's set in stone. But that's not true. We're not set in stone, we're constantly learning. So maybe something better to actually say is I'm learning and growing. That opens up the mind. That gives your mind tasks to do. When your mind hears I'm not good enough, it shuts down, gives up. But when we give our mind I'm learning, I'm growing in this capacity, that allows your mind to work in your favor. So remember the first thing, you want to give it a name. The voice in your head, give it a name. That's Joe talking. That's Kathy talking. Whatever name you give the voice. And then you want to identify the negative self talk, the thoughts. Identify them, write them down. Next, you challenge those thoughts. Find 2 or 3 instances for each that proves this is not true or this is not true all the time. Then reframe your thoughts with something more true, something more honest, and something that's open, not closed and definitive. So give this a try, see how it impacts your negative self talk. And if you ever want to reach out, please feel free, connect with me or write a comment in the DM. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.